Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to make a instant dosa and chutney recipe. For this, firstly take a mixing bowl and add a 1 cup of wheat flour and a half cup of rice flour and a quarter cup of chiroti suji to it. Now add a half teaspoon of cumin seeds and add 1 cup of curd to it, and in the same cup I have added 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Now I am adding a 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Now take a mixie jar and grind it once. It's completely optional. Now pour a dosa batter in a vessel. Add a quarter teaspoon of baking soda to it. Mix it well. And keep it aside for 3 minutes. Now spread dosa batter on a tawa. You can easily make 8 to 10 dosas from this batter. Now soft and spongy instant dosas are ready for breakfast. Now we will prepare chutney for this. Firstly heat a kadai and add 2 teaspoons of oil to it and add a half teaspoon of cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Now add 1 teaspoon of both urad dal and chana dal. And add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute it well. Now add a 1 roughly chopped onion to it. Now add 2 green chilies to it. Fry it well. Now add a 1 big roughly chopped tomato to it. Fry it well until onion and tomatoes are soft in a texture. Now it's done. Now put all the ingredients into a mixie jar with salt and jaggery. Now healthy and tasty breakfast is ready. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit a bell icon.